First of all, we must congratulate the government, the people involved, for coming out with this bold initiative on the new direct tax code. Essentially, the code, as it is given in the discussion paper itself, it's an attempt to simplify, rationalize the existing tax structure, and to bring about change in the Income Tax Act. If you look at the tax reforms can be of two kinds. One, tinkering with the existing laws, where you change the sections, delete few sections, add a new section, and so on. Or you can completely start with a new slate. In that sense, I would say the direct tax code goes with the second alternative. It has started with a clean slate, but by taking inputs from the existing acts, from the case laws, from the additional rules and regulations that are there. Over the years, if you find, the Indian Income Tax Act has completely changed from what it was in 1961. Of course, tax laws always change with the new thoughts and new ideas and what needs to be taxed. But 4,000 amendments, ill-conceived, ill-drafted provisions, and again amending those sections, it has gone out of hand. Moreover, if you see, the tax laws have not just been formulated for collecting tax, it has also been used as a tool for economic change, bringing about social change. So you have a whole lot of sections starting from capital formation and to family planning. So you have a wide range of tax exemptions and provisions for all kinds of things that will bring about social change. This has made tax laws go out of hand over the last so many years. Over the years, it has improved a lot. If you look at the 70s, for example, tax could be paid only from in some branches of some banks. Today, of course, you can pay online. The kind of convenience you look at tax payment, I particularly remember a place where I read this, which said you can pay road tax, you can pay federal tax, you can pay state tax, and we also sell gas. So that's the kind of convenience you have in payment of tax. So overall, over the years, all these tenets have been violated. So it's high time that we have a tax reform, which rationalizes the tax structure and also brings simplicity in language, no ambiguity, and so on. It is called as the modern progressive income tax. The bad administration of the laws and the evasion of tax by both the rich and the powerful has made the tax laws neither modern nor progressive nor even income tax. To that extent, I would say the direct tax code tried to simplify the laws. It has not done something new or something radical, something different. It's only churned out from the existing laws. For example, it is not abolished, let's say, the personal income tax, or it is not looked at only the consumption-based tax, or there is no change like something like a single tax and so on. But from the existing laws, it has culled out and some kind of reform in terms of simplicity in language, reduction in ambiguity, more stringent definitions, less power to the administrators, and so on has been achieved by this tax code. Yeah, overall, I would say a good effort.